everyone, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inkyfingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I've got a really lovely seasonal card to show you. We are getting into an autumn mood with the Perched in a Tree bundle. I'm going to start by stamping this beautiful fluffy little bird from the Perched in a Tree stamp set onto my very vanilla scrap cardstock. I'll stamp the bird in Memento Black ink because I know I want to color it later with blends. Next, I've got the Leaf Fall 3D embossing folder, and I'm going to use that on my brushed metallic cardstock. Don't you love how this looks? Next, I'll do some die cutting. I'll cut out the bird and the branch that I stamped before, and also an additional label shape. This is from the Nature's Prints dies. The final piece of die cutting is to use this large negative image die from the Perched in a Tree dies on your large piece of very vanilla cardstock. Look at what that creates. Now I'll stamp my sentiment from the same stamp set onto my label shape. I'm going to use a sponge dauber to go around the edges to make it pop against the other vanilla cardstock. Time to color in this beautiful little bird with my blends. And now I'm ready to assemble my card. Oops, one of these sticky corners got stuck to my hand and I accidentally ripped the cardstock. But don't worry, I know how to fix it. I'll use some tear and tape to mend the cut. Now I'll add some gold festive pearls to embellish, especially over that teeny little mistake. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video from my public Facebook page. Leave a message below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find all the current catalogs, current promotional details, my events calendar, lots of tutorials and videos, and the sign up for my email newsletter. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'! Bye!